This segment is sponsored by FireTech.
Protecting your family and your home from fire is important all year round. The single most effective way, though, to prevent fire incidents and injuries is the installation of a residential fire sprinkler. FireTech residential sprinkler owners Joe Matthews and Dilipa Jayasuriya are here today. And I'm going to start with you, Dee. FireTech has been in the business for 17 years, quite a long time. What inspired the both of you to come together to create a fire sprinkler company?
Well, Joe and I have been in the fire protection industry for over 30 years, and over that time period, we've seen the advantage of having fire sprinklers in residential structures. They actually save lives, and because of that, we're proud to be a part of this industry.
17 years running, that's quite a bit of time here. Let's talk about fire safety and why it is so important. Jill, let me ask you, what exactly is a residential fire sprinkler system, and overall, what is its purpose?
Okay, well, a residential sprinkler system is a sprinkler system that's throughout your house with sprinkler heads that will emit water in case of a fire. So it's a wet pipe system, meaning there's always water in your pipes that go around to feed these sprinkler heads. And what its purpose is it's to save your life.
Yeah.
Because in a fire situation, usually only one sprinkler activates to put that fire out. They're heat activated, so you don't have to worry about them all going off at the same time.
Very interesting. Okay, so in that zone or wherever it triggers, that's where the sprinkler head will go off.
Correct, and it also saves water damage if a fire department comes in and opens a hose. It's actually going to save water damage because only one sprinkler will activate.
Makes sense, makes sense. Let me talk to you about how, if I know at home or our viewers at home know if they even have a sprinkler system and what they would look for. What does it look like?
Well, the first thing you'll notice is when you walk around your new home, you'll see either a sprinkler head protruding out of your ceiling, which is a standard sprinkler head. However, we do a lot of concealed flat plate sprinkler systems. And that is, you may not recognize it, but it's an actual little disc that is in your ceiling that conceals the sprinkler. When you have a fire, the disc drops off, the sprinkler head lowers, and it'll activate that way.
Wow, so obviously you have that protection, but maybe it's not as much as visible, a little less of maybe an eyesore?
Exactly. The other thing you'll notice when you walk down to where your mechanical room is, where the water comes into the house, you will see the connection to the sprinkler system there. It has a pressure gauge on it. It has a backflow preventer on it, which is recommended to be replaced every 5 years. So that's really important to notice where that is.
As far as the maintenance and upkeep there. I know you also have a variety of other services, Dee. I'm going to ask you from inspection to installation. Talk about your work with new construction and home builders.
Yeah, we work for all different size home builders. This beautiful home you're seeing today is built by Classic Homes, a custom builder in Maryland. And we work with them for about 17 years also. And because they build a customized product, they need those kind of services where in the design process, in the installation process, we have to give them a product that's customized for them, and that meets their personal needs.
Okay. So for all of your sprinkler needs, reach out to our friends at FireTech. All the information there on the screen on how to contact them. Make that connection, whether you have a sprinkler system or are interested in putting a sprinkler system in your home.